Hello, welcome to JMG Tinting Wraps. Today we have a pretty fun project. We got this cornhole set that is very basic, just plain white. So we're gonna wrap it. Take that to the dumpster. That's how we handle garbage around here. All right, let's get started. See what I'm saying? Plain Jane. First step is we're gonna clean it. Get some film. Cool. I'll just give it one more pass. Wrapping is also protecting it. Let's rotate you back over here where I get my glove. Last thing we need to grab is a squeegee other than our wrap glove. We're gonna wet the squeegee a little bit. It's already looking better. Look at that. Bam. All right, now time to heat it up. All right, we finished the one side. We're gonna flip it over, but before we do that, we gotta grab a trusty mat. Reason being is, since we just finished this side, we don't want to scratch it up. A lot of times we'll go ahead and lay this out. We're gonna do both sides first, and then we'll do the bottom and top sides last, so that this way they can kind of overlap them on both sides, and then it's like changing these tops rather than changing all of them, if it ever needs to be changed out. Now it's time to trim it away. Remove the liner. Now we could go ahead and heat it. Now it's time to do a top or the bottom. We'll do the top first. Now that side's done. I'm not gonna heat it and shrink it yet because I'm gonna leave the little plastic liner on it right now so that I can flip it around and do this. Stage one complete. Look at that. So now I want to cover the face. Trying to see what texture there is here. This is all seeable. Might be, but we'll still wrap it. Got my squeegee. I want to keep the workstation clean. Maybe you guys want to get a closer look at this. All right, we're finished wrapping it. We did the sides, we did the face. All right, we're going to be switching on to putting new decals all around. Stay tuned. So we are going to be on our next step of wrapping this cornhole. We did the base, which is we wrapped the face of it satin black, and then we did the sides of it gloss black. So now it's time to put all the little extra trims on it. So that's what we're going to do today. Let me flip it around. So luckily what I'm doing here, there's these magnifying lines. So I'm literally just trying to line them up exactly the same way. The next design we do is going to be a little bit more lines. When you get these little holes that you can't push out anymore, pop a little hole in it and it can go away. As you notice, I just have a full circle. That's fine. I measured it to be wider so that it just fits right over completely. Technically, you do want to have a squeegee. The next step is we're going to have to use some transfer tape because we're going to put the logo right here in the middle. We're going to go ahead and weave out the access here. Now we got our transfer tape and we're going to run it right over. Now that our logo is cut out, we're ready to line it up and put it in here. Get my tape measure. I only need one marker on one side, but it's always nice to put two markers just to make sure you are lined up the way you think you're lined up. So the way you want to do this is to put it in that line position, tape it, and then you do another one just to make sure it stays secured. Those are like your guidelines, right? So now you're flipping it back, you're curling it over, you're creating a little bit of tension, not too much, but the curl is letting it be lifted off so that you can actually squeegee it down and be the one to squeegee it down rather than the film be the reason that it just automatically sticks. And then you just follow a simple pattern up and down, follow it through. Now you just remove the tape.